What we do for our own living is our profession. Makes sense? Whatever we do তাহলে better হতো। So কারেকশনের সময় whatever টা লিখে ফেলবেন। There are many types of professions হবে profession না, and some of them are extremely specialized. I like it. There may be various notions হবে আপু plural. Various মানে একের অধিক, so notion না notions about a professional's piece of work. Professionals যেহেতু বলছেন apostrophe মানে একজন, স্পেসিফিক করে করে দিচ্ছেন, সো আ হবে এখানে আর্টিকেল, ফুল স্টপ। Some might prefer that they should remain in the own territory, in their হবে আপু দা না, in their তাদের own territory, and others think they should explore. All right. For me, professionals should be free from boundaries, মানে boundaries একের অধিক, and they should get the chance to be more skillful. All right, flexible and skillful লিখতে পারতেন। all right, learning আপনি মনে এনটা লেখেন নাই, আসলে মিস্টেক চেক করবেন তাহলে হবে না। learning is a continuous process and it can be from anywhere. Very good. If you want to talk over a profession like that of a doctor, full stop দিছেন, সেন্টেন্সটা হয় না। আপনি দেখেন, if you want to talk over a professional like doctor, what's it? আপনি কিন্তু সেন্টেন্সটা কমপ্লিট করেন না, লিখতে পারতেন if you want to talk about a profession like that of a doctors, it will be a heavy discussion, then আপনি বলতে পারেন, right? doctors main purpose না, the doctors main purpose একটা নির্দিষ্ট profession is হবে treat the people so that they could remain healthy, so that they can remain healthy. A doctor requires rigorous training for his profession. They can be completed within his training place. They can be completed it হবে না, within his training place. They can be completed within his training place. But for further knowledge and skill, comma, exploration can be added. But দিয়ে sentence শুরু করাটা safe না, but বলতে পারেন for further knowledge and skill, comma, exploration might be added.